Hey guys, welcome back to On the Job. We're just checking in because we're laying out for a standalone tub in the master bath that we're doing. And we have this one connection that makes things a lot easier. It's a OS&B fitting. And what it does is it allows us to do all the plumbing from the top and not have to get underneath. Because right now we have a finished space. We have the living room all finished, sheetrock. You know, we can't get in there, which typically we would have to for the plumbing. So in this case, we would have our finished floor, our floor joists, and we can have this fitting from the top down, be put in place, and then all the plumbing done from a hole up above. And then once we take our standalone tub, after we get the Ditra and the tile on, we can just bring the line down right on top, and there's a bushing inside that allows it just to fit right in, and then we're done. So it's just one of those things that we've found that makes it easier in different circumstances to where we can't get underneath the tub in a finished space. And that's what we ran into on this job. So we just wanted to show you some of the behind the scenes stuff. Thanks for checking in.